Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you how to convert a PDF to an editable PDF so you can easily modify text, images, and content without recreating the file. Now let's get started. Method 1. Step 1. Open File Explorer on your computer and locate the PDF file you want to convert. This is where all your saved files are organized, and it helps you quickly find the document you need. Step 2. Right-click on the PDF file, choose Open With, then select Microsoft Word. This option allows Word to read and prepare the file for editing. Step 3. Allow Microsoft Word to convert the PDF into an editable document. This process may take a few seconds and is important because it transforms the file into a format you can modify. Step 4. Edit the document as needed in Word. You can change text, images, or layout just like a normal Word file, which makes corrections and updates easy. Step 5. Click File in the top left corner of Word. This menu contains important options for saving, printing, and managing your document. Step 6. Click Save. As to create a new version of the file, this prevents the original document from being overwritten. Step 7. Choose your preferred save location, such as desktop or documents, so you can easily find the new file later. Step 8. Select PDF as the file format from the list. This converts your edited document back into a PDF while keeping your changes. Step 9. Click Save to finish the process and create your editable PDF file ready for sharing or printing. Method 2. Step 1. Open a dedicated PDF editor such as Adobe Acrobat. These tools are specifically designed for editing PDFs and provide more advanced features. Step 2. Open your PDF file inside the editor. Make the necessary edits directly within the document. Then save the file to keep all your changes applied. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.